Hey everybody, this is Work and Roller channel, long time no see. As always, I'm here to talk about my almost finished project, about my Ibanez. You can watch all the previous process here on the channel, but as always with this project I've got one more pretty huge problem. The hardware parts, they are just disgusting. It's scratched, it's sanded, you have some corrosion under the chrome parts. It's really disgusting. When you just put this near the fresh new guitar, I had this in that case, it's just unmatchable. So we need to rebuild it. And the first thought was to change it, but this is the Ibanez Edge Pro 7-string. And there you have a little bit smaller cavity than the regular Ibanez Edge or Ibanez Low Pro Edge that you can buy. It's pretty expensive. The Ibanez Low Pro Edge costs around 300 euros. At first I thought about the Goto 1996, but I figured out that you can't change it without the routing the cavity, without changing the posts, drilling the bigger holes for it, so it's not my case, unfortunately. So you should paint it with a special paint, the powder paint, and this thing later go to the heat, to the industrial oven. This layer of paint is a little bit thick, and this Tremolo has such small precise parts. You can paint only maybe the Tremolo plate with it. And the saddles, they are disgusting too. What should I do with them? So it's not our case, unfortunately. I read about the suggestion of galvanics. When you put your metal parts in a special container with special chemicals, and the special amount of electricity runs through these chemicals, and then you have the perfect layer on your detail, a layer of chrome, a layer of nickel, and etc. etc. I didn't find the special workshops here in Poland, so this is not our case too. Then I found in forums that people who want to restore the Tremolo parts and hardware, they usually search between the shops that work with guns. They restoring guns, they restoring some knives, the parts of the guns, the pistols, etc. 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 They sanding it, they put new paint on it, and the paint is special too. It's very thin layer. It's also resistant to corrosion, because this is a gun and the gun should work perfectly all the time. And it fits our case. Guitar is the weapon of heavy metal and rock, and the regular gun is the precise mechanism that should work, and the paint for this mechanism should be very good and good enough for our project, for my project. So I've contacted with a special guy from this workshop. This guy is from another city. We have for about 3.5 hours of driving between the two cities, but I live in Poland. I have the special post box near my place. I put all my parts there, paying maybe $4 for it, and this guy after maybe 2-3 days took my parts from the post box in his city. I paid for it about $100. It's way cheaper than the new Tremolo, and then work I should invest to put this Tremolo in my guitar. So it's very convenient. I took the ready parts, the painted parts. It's beyond my expectations. So I'm really happy. The difference between then and now it's like night and day, and I hope this Tremolo will shine on this guitar when I complete the whole project. It was time to assemble everything, and I decided to show some extra love for this part, because I greased all the saddles, all the axes of the saddles with special gun oil. See, we have the theme of the guns everywhere, and I bought it for the greasing and caring of different metal mechanisms and parts, such as my guitars and some typical stuff, everyday stuff in my home. So I greased all the saddles, and as the addition I added some special thick grease for all the threaded connections, just for the case that maybe someday I need to reassemble it, or maybe some guy after me need to reassemble it. This will be just perfect to reassemble and disassemble without the sad surprises like I had in the past when I bought this guitar, because I need to soak everything just to unscrew the threads. So I decided to make everything on the highest level. I think that this tremolo became 10, maybe 20 times better than it was when I bought it. It's not the new tremolo, it's not the miracle. This tremolo is about 20 years now, or maybe 19. It was in very bad condition, and now it's restored, and it restored even better than I thought. Of course, you can see some small imperfections under the paint, because this was a corrosion, and this guy sandblasted all the details, and now this is a matte gray, and this is a special color. It's called sniper gray, so this is a killing machine. Please, before you leave, subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, hit the bell under this video. Let's build community, let's talk and discuss the guitar building, the guitar restoring the hardware, restoring the guitars, your guitar projects maybe. So see you in the next videos. Bye bye.